Track 6 in the morning light, lectures in order, getting ready to fight. Sparks fly high and the hammer starts to pound in the chaos.
Hey, what are you guys doing there? Welcome to the cog&quill workshop. And today we are still messing around with the new camera. Oddly enough, you guys are mounted on the ceiling right now, hanging upside down. There's like a little preview thing it's showing, and it's upside down too, which I don't love, but I 3D printed this little piece of ABS with a couple drywall screw anchors and a 1/4 bolt. So I screwed that to the ceiling and attached the selfie stick, and that's where you guys are dangling from. So we'll do that. We'll see if that is going to be good for us over here. But what we're going to work on for this video today is my air compressor is broken. The pump died, broke the belt, and I haven't had a shop air for a little bit. So I went to my local Harbor Freight and picked up this McGraw V-Style 2-stage cast iron. It's a 5-horse pump. I have a 5-horse motor, should turn it just fine. So we're gonna try to retrofit my old Campbell Hausfield. It's a Husky branded Campbell Hausfield from Home Depot or Lowe's with that V-Style 2-stage compressor. So I'll pick you guys up and I'll take you down to the shed where the compressor lives, and we'll try to do a quick little retrofit on that guy and shoot the video. We'll test up the lapel mic interface with this guy with the new camera. On the selfie stick, I'll probably go ahead and add a mount to the basement areas or to the shed area as well. So we can have you guys down there watching the video there too. So, all right.
When the sun aspires, got my hammer and my chisel reaching for the sky. Crafting dreams with every stroke of the blade. From dawn of dusk, a legacy is made. In the workshop, where the wood sings, handmade treasures shaped by hands and trees.
I'm gonna see. Let's just go ahead and take you down and see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing here. It might be pretty weird. You guys are spinning around. Is that disorienting? Alright, got you on the stick, and we're gonna need to bring a couple drywall screws. With us. And my drill. I'll go mount you downstairs. Oh, I took the lens guards off too. So there's that. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but yeah, my shed is underneath the workshop, oddly enough. My neighbors are having a birthday party, it looks like. So that's going on.
Sunlight breaking the dawn. In this haven, the future is strong. Welcome to the workshop, where legends ignite. Tales of creation in the morning light. Steam operators, get started with might. In there's a table where they sing tonight. Now pencil sketching stars. Inflows the trees, every shade of you a radiant beam. Watching it never let it on. It's more than months away, now plant a solar board. Clock 6 in the morning light, lectures in order, getting ready to fight. Sparks fly high and the hammer starts to pound in the chaos.
Now we've got the new compressor mounted, adding the third bolt. All right, we got our bolts in. Then we get this turned off. I think this thing should pump air now. So I'm just gonna plug her in, cross my fingers. So electrically it's connecting. It's not gonna run until I turn the switch on here. And that works fine. So last thing to do is add the belt. This is I got this from Harbor Freight. This is oh, they call it a adjustable link V belt. They're cool because you can take a segment out of them and get them to the perfect size of what you need for your application. So I don't know how many times I've measured the belt, thought I had the right belt, then I go and I actually install the belt and it's the wrong size. So I've already adjusted this one to be the right size, so should be able to just pop her right on here. Let's start with the motor first. Go over the back of the pulley. Sort of just kind of drive it on in there. And there you go. All right, guys, that's where we have it. We successfully upgraded the shop compressor. Well, it's downstairs. We now have air in the shop again. All the good stuff. And back to where it belongs in the shop. Thanks for coming to the site, thanks for coming to the workshop, and I hope you enjoyed your time. I'm gonna spend some time cutting this video and seeing how all that works, and getting a little better at this whole thing. So, see ya.